Okay, so here we are at board 7, and South's our dealer with a 1 no trump opening, 15 to 17 and balanced. Now, when it gets around to North, they've got a really powerful hand here. And you might have a way of showing this in your system. The way that I might like to show it, so you've got, 5, 8, 11 high card points, but also 5 shortage points if partner's hand does work sort of in for you. So you might have a good chance to slam here, but you sort of need to do some investigation. Now, one thing that you can do is bid 3 spades, which over a 1 no trump opening, any bid at the 3 level normally says to partner, depending on your system, just playing naturally, it says to partner, I might be interested in slam, and I'd like spades to be trumps. So you at least need sort of 6 of them. Now, when it gets around to our South player, what they can do here, they've got a couple of different options. If you play Q bids, they could make a Q bid. If they had a pretty average hand with 3 spades, they could raise the spades. Or if they've got just a minimum sort of hand here like they do, they can actually just pop the contract into 3 no trumps to say, partner, I'm not really interested in slam at all. Now, if this happens, when it gets around to North, they'll probably just bid 4 spades and play the contract there. You still want to play spades as trumps because of the fact that we've got 6 cards, partner's got to have 2 for their no trump opening, so we will have a fit with them. So this would be how you typically bid this one. Some people might play the Smolin convention and do it a little bit differently, but I think this is the best way to try to investigate slam and then be able to still sign off in 4. If you do end up asking for aces, hopefully you play Roman keycard and we'll be able to stop. One thing I'd deter is actually asking for aces when you have a void. Now, the reason, or keycards even, the reason for that is, let's say that our partner, if we did use keycard, would show 2 of them. So with the North hand, if you're playing Roman keycard and your partner's shown 2 keycards, if they've got the ace and the king of trumps, this is going to be a really good contract for you with their 2 keycards. However, if you have a look at the 2 keycards that they do have, the 2 aces, it's absolutely horrible. You have no chance of making slam. So yeah, it's really important to not use keycard when you have a void, because you just don't know which keycards that your partner's going to have.